Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. Well, as many ladies out there know, Clinique no longer makes the little travel soaps, and I'm sure the husbands have heard about it as well. So in this video, I'm going to cut this down to work in here so that they can still use this for their travel and have 2 bars, maybe 3, to put inside here, and then 1 big block to keep at the house. So last one I did, I just cut the edge off over here. Kind of went like so, cut it here, and then cut it in half. So we'll do that again. Stay tuned, check it out. And no, using a scroll saw is not how I cut my thumb off, in case you're wondering. So I've used my kid's ruler that I stole from 1998. The soap box measures almost 3 inches. So the soap needs to be approximately 2 3/4 inches long, 1 inch high, but it has to be a round top. So I was thinking if we cut it straight in half, it worked last time. So that would be about an inch, just over an inch. And then we can go to 2 3/4 width. And we'll have 2 soaps that fit inside here. So we're going to measure the soap. So this soap measures, about 1 1/4 high. But once we cut it, it'll be less than 1 inch. So if we stick it this way inside the container, it should fit. So we're going to cut it straight down the middle, and that needs to be roughly 2 3/4 inches long. So we'll cut it at the L. We'll go across the L here and then cut it in half. So this is what I'm going to use to cut the soap with. This is just a scroll saw from, where's it called? Harbor Freight, probably 60 bucks. You go online to buy these little soaps, they're about 50 bucks a piece now. So we're going to cut it this way through the L, like so, and then we'll turn it long ways and cut it that way. So here we go. Then we got to break it in half because it likes to glue itself back together. There we go. So now we have our 3 soaps, 1 for the shower, 2 for us to take on trips. Now let's go back inside and see if it fits in the container. All right, so here we have our 3 pieces. This is the container it goes in. Take this piece. Pretty darn close. Had I cut it straight, it's high over here, probably fit in there just perfect. I think this one is the same way. It's got a little bevel to it there. You see that? So the one side is good, and the other side is not. See how it's, but hey, so that's the way to do it. The length is perfect. Maybe a little short. So cut at the L, and then try and cut it completely down the center. I like the scroll saw. And that's how you make your wife happy and give her travel Clinique face soaps out of the normal size bar. So like and subscribe, comment down below, any questions, F them out.